Hi folks, good morning, happy Sunday. Okay, so I'm having a bit of a crazy moment. I've been thinking about it for about a week now, maybe since I took my braids out. And I love the length of my hair, but I'm starting to want a bit more volume. So I've been playing with the idea of trying this whole unicorn cut craze to see if it works, if it looks good. And do you know what? Since I've been using my products, my hair has grown so fast anyway. I kind of feel like, what is the worst that can happen? I mean, I also feel like I just jinxed myself, maybe. So I have washed my hair. I put a hair mask on the other day. So this morning I've just washed that out. I'm going to just pop a little bit of this leave-in conditioner in first, because otherwise I can't really manage, like I can't put my hands through my hair. So I'm literally, I say a little bit, like when I say a little bit, it means like quite a lot really. So I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner through my hair, which means I can sort of like move it a bit easier. And then we're going to cut it. I've got some scissors. I've got a hair bubble. I don't really understand the whole process of this whole unicorn thing, so we shall see. If it looks terrible, do you know what? I can wear it up and it will grow out, hopefully. I hope it will anyway. This is a terrible angle as well, isn't it? So yeah, let's get a bit more conditioner in here. I should have brought the Hoover up as well, shouldn't I really? But I'll do that afterwards. So tell me, what are you up to this Sunday? What exciting things have you got going on? I'm not going to be cutting the main, like I like the main length. I'm just going to be layering a bit so that it has a bit more volume. I never ever thought I would be saying I want my hair to have more volume, because I feel like I have the most enormous hair ever. Right, okay, I think that is true. Now, the worst part here is I'm going to have to take my glasses off to do this. Certainly to do the parting bit, I think. So I want like the bottom half. So here, I probably want to leave that length. No, that's not enough. That's not enough. Maybe by my ears, maybe. Let's see. How's that? So that's like the main. I feel like it's not though. I feel like it should be. Oh my gosh, I'm scared now. What am I saying I'm gonna do? Ah! Okay, right, okay. Let's try parting it here. Right, so what have I got? What have I got left? Okay, so I've got like the main length left here. I don't even know, like I say, I haven't got my glasses on. So I think this bit needs to be up. And this bit here needs to be with this. And then you bring it forward, is that right? Oh, I don't know. I don't know about this. Would you start at the front? Oh. I think you start at the front, you know. Okay. Maybe I should have researched this. Right, we're going to go front first. We're going to go front first. I'm going to take a little section here. I'm scared already. What on earth was I thinking? Okay, we're going to go. Okay, I've got this section here. That's the front. And do you know what? I'm just going to put a bobble in. I'm just going to cut it. Because you know what? Actually, what is the worst that can happen? I feel like I need to sing the Dr. Pepper theme tune now. Let me put my glasses back on so that I can see the comments. Whoa, like an old lady. Oh my God. I know, Charlotte. It's happening though. I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut it. So I've done this front section. And we're just going to do it. We're going to cut. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to do it. That's loads as well, isn't it? Oh my God. Well, these are crap scissors, aren't they? The dog's going crazy. Something going on in the garden. Okay, well that bit's gone. That was probably like 4 inches. Ha ha ha. Okay. So just hacking away at this. Oh my God. Thanks, Penny, filling me with absolute confidence there and your confidence in me. So, okay. That first bit. Okay, so do you take that out and then do a different section altogether, or do I leave that in and then take a different section? I don't even know. Does anybody know? Do you just like, do you do that, or do you put it together and cut it again? I feel like if you do that, it makes more sense. And the question is it in 2 or do you do it in, I can't even see anything. This is the most ridiculous idea ever. Who had this idea to do this? Anna's going to be laughing at me. What are you thinking? Jackie, don't even. I haven't got another bubble. So, oh, I have. Wait a minute. I've got a big fat scrunchie here. Here we go. I've got a big scrunchie. Okay. Right. Okay. Are we ready to do the second bit? Okay. I just feel like, do you know what? It's going to grow back. It's going to grow back. I look like a doofus. We're going to have a bit more volume going on. Are you ready? Second section. We're going to go, let's go about there. I'm going to cut it across and then I'm going to cry afterwards probably. No, I'm not. Look, that's gone. Okay, we're going to just, what I see people do, I'm just going to chop it up into there. That's what they say, isn't it? I suppose the joy a little bit is that I've got curly hair, so, you know, it could be worse. It's not like it's got to be like straight. Okay. Okay, I've got like a little pile of hair here on the front now. Okay, I'm going to put a bit more conditioner in this back bit because it's a bit dry. And then we're going to try and see. Should we take the bubbles out and see what it looks like now? Could probably all do with a cut. Do you know, the last time I cut my hair was probably, or it had it cut, it was probably about 4 years ago. Okay, so you can obviously see where I've cut. It looks like a big chunk. Okay, I like this front bit's a bit shorter. I like that. So you can see it's properly sort of, I think maybe that section I did was too big. Ah! The question is, shall I dry it as it is or shall I trim it a bit more? Oh no, come on, what do people think? It's too much, what have I done? I'm gonna have to cut into that, I think. We're cutting into it. My hair's just gonna get shorter and shorter. Do you know what? It's hair, isn't it? It's just hair. What's, you know, I have a lot of it. Ah! Oh dear. Do you know what? Okay. We're just going to go with that. I'm going to put some more conditioner in it. I'm going to dry it off a little bit. We're going to see. I actually feel like I want shorter layers. I feel like maybe I should go a little bit shorter here. But am I going to make myself cry? I'm going to have hacked it all apart and make myself just cry when I haven't got. I just cut it off, all of it, just cut it off and above. Okay, so I'm going to go away, I'm going to put some more conditioner in, I'm going to dry my hair a little bit, then we're going to reconvene and see what we think. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you're up to this Sunday. Let me know if you're doing ridiculous things like me or if you're maybe a little bit more sensible. and actually plan things properly. I've got like this mass of hair here now. So we will see how it goes, and I'll catch you all a little bit later. Bye.